Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to math class, grade 4. Look at children here. So, what do you identify in this page? Two pink dots and two black dots are there. Shall we join these two black dots now? Yes. So, now shall we join these two pink dots? Yes. So what is the distance between these two black dots and what is the what is the distance between these two pink dots? So which one is long and then which one is short? How to measure? Using ruler. Yes? Yes. In this lesson, we are going to learn about measurement. In chapter 2, what is the lesson name? Long and short. So, look at here. What is this? Ruler. In this ruler, small lines and big lines are there. What is this? This we can say units. Yes, children. This we can say units. So, this 0 to 1 we can say it is 1 centimeter. So, 0 to 1 we can say it is called 1 centimeter. Yes. So, that measurement of length what is given, that smaller units and all can measure in, we use centimeter, that bigger length and all we use in meter, and then distance we can measure in kilometer. Yes, children. So some more examples given. Look at here. To measure small length such as pen, pencil, paintbrush and book, we use centimeter. The chart form of centimeter is cm. To measure the bigger units, what and all it is given? Building, length of your saree, length of your room. So we use in meter. So the chart form of meter is m. So that meter we can say it's the standard unit of length. And then distance. To measure long distance such as distance between Delhi and Agra. So your home to school we use kilometer. The short form of kilometer is km. And then next, remember this, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Look at here. Using a ruler, measure the length of an eraser, pencil, a piece of chalk, a pair of scissors. So these we can measure in itself ruler. Yes. And then next, some more examples given. Piece of long string, hairpins, straws, pencils, erasers and paper clips. So these also we can measure in ruler itself. That units, what is that? Centimeter. Yes. And then your height also can measure in centimeter. So what is this? Sum of buildings. You want to measure the length of the building, we will use meter. And then you want to find the length of this vehicle, use centimeter or meter, children. We will use meter. Yes. And then guitar. So we will use meter or centimeter, meter. And then next, you want to find out the distance. Distance means what you want to do? Kilometer you want to write it. Yes, children. And then next, you want to find out the distance from home to shop. You can write it as kilometer. And then you want to find out the distance from starting point to ending point. We will use it kilometer. Yes. So some problems I given to solve. to convert meter into centimeter. That means what? So the bigger unit of length into smaller units. The bigger unit of length, what is this? Meter. The smaller unit is centimeter. Yes, you want to convert. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You want to change it. So convert at that time, what do you want to do? You want to multiply by 100 within this number. So look at this page. Convert meter into centimeter. Look at that example, that sum. What is given? 18 meter. So you want to convert into centimeter. What do you want to do? I said multiply by 100. So 18 into 100 is 1800 centimeter. You got the answer. Yes, children. Look at here. Shall we multiply now? 0 8s are 0. 1 zeros are 0. Next, you are going to multiply in 10 terms. So, you want to calculate and write in tens place. 8 zeros are 0 and then 1 zeros are 0. And then you want to multiply in hundreds place. 8 ones are 8. You want to write in hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, children. And then next 1 ones are 1. And then 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. And then 1. So what is the answer? You got it? 1800 centimeter. Yes, 1800 centimeter. You got the answer. So look at that next example. 25 meter. So you want to convert into centimeter. So multiply with 100 in this number. 25 into 100 is, what answer you got it? 2500 centimeter. One shortcut method I will say in this. So what is the sum? 25 meter. As such you want to write it as first here 25. Here how many zeros are there in this 100? 2 zeros. That one you want to write at last, add it 2 zeros. So 25 into 100 is 2500 centimeter. Answer you got it. So you can solve now in your rough note. Okay, children. And then next, convert the following into smaller unit of length. You want to convert into smaller unit of length. So that meter is smaller unit or bigger unit, children? Meter is bigger unit and then centimeter is smaller unit. In this 95 already it is given in smaller unit. This alone you want to convert into centimeter. So what do you want to do? This 95 as such you want to write here. Okay, children. And then this alone you want to convert. So meter into centimeter. What is the process you are doing here? Into 100. So 8 into 100 is 800 centimeter. This 95 centimeter as such you want to write it as down. Now you want to add 800 plus 95 centimeter. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 9 is 9. And then 8 plus 0 is 8. So what answer you got it? 895 centimeter. Okay, children. And then next one more example. So 426 meter and then 70 centimeter. This alone you want to convert. So why meter is a bigger unit? You want to convert into smaller unit. So what do you want to do? This number you want to multiply with 100. 426 into 100 centimeter. And then as such you want to write plus 70 centimeter here. So 426 into 100. What is the shortcut method I told? The sum as such you want to write it as, and then In this 100, how many zeros are there? You want to write it as at last in this number. So 426 and then this 2 zeros you will add. What answer you got it? 42,600 centimeter plus 70 centimeter. These 2 centimeters you got it. Now you want to add this 42,600 plus 70. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. Here don't have any number, so consider as 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. So what answer you got it? 42,670 centimeter. I hope you understood this topic. So I given the homework in your workbook, children. Solve the sums and find the answer. Okay, children? Shall we meet again in this next class? Thank you all.